Okay, so this is the part two of multi-threading interview asked questions. So here we have the question number 11. Is it possible for a terminated thread to transition back to the runnable state? Okay, here answer is no. Once a thread is terminated, its life cycle is over and it cannot be re-enter the runnable state. Calling start again will throw an exception. Okay, next question is what issue arise when multiple thread modify same shared counter and how can they be addressed? Answer is a race condition can occur where both thread read the same value and update it, causing incorrect results. This can be solved using the synchronized methods of blocks, atomic integer, or at explicit locks. Okay. Next question is what are different forms in which synchronization can be applied in Java? Okay. What are different forms in which synchronization can be applied in Java? Synchronization can be applied using a synchronized instance method, a synchronized block, or a static synchronized method. Instance synchronization locks the object, while static synchronization locks the class object. Next question is in Java, is synchronization applied to code segment or to objects? Synchronization is applied to objects, not directly to a code. Instance synchronized methods locks the current object, and static synchronized methods lock the class object. What happens to a lock if an exception is thrown inside a synchronized block? If an exception occurs inside synchronized block, the lock is automatically released when the thread exits the block. Next question. Does synchronization enforce a specific execution order among threads? No, synchronization does not guarantee thread execution order. It only ensures mutual exclusion for critical section. Thread scheduling is handled by the JVM and CPU. Okay. What are the key drawbacks and limitations of using synchronized blocks? Synchronization has performance overhead, provides no fairness guarantee, can lead to deadlock if locks are acquired incorrectly, blocks waiting threads completely, and does not allow timeout or interruptible lock attempts. What is reentrant lock and what problem does it solve? Reentrant lock is a more flexible locking mechanism introduced in Java 5. It allows the same thread to acquire the lock multiple times, supports fairness, timed lock attempts, okay, interruptible locking, and better control compared to synchronized. Explain how reentrant lock is used in Java. Reentrant lock use lock to acquire the lock and unlock to release. It also provides try lock to attempt acquiring the lock without blocking indefinitely. How does try-lock help in avoiding deadlock scenarios? Try-lock prevents deadlock by allowing a thread to fail immediately or after a timeout if the lock is unavailable, avoiding infinite waiting and circular lock dependencies. What are the consequences of failing to call unlock or on a reentrant lock? If unlock is not called, the lock is never released, causing other threads to wait indefinitely, leading to deadlock or starvation. Under what circumstances should reentrant lock be preferred over synchronized? Reentrant lock should be preferred when fairness, timeout based locking, interruptible locks, or complex locking control is required. Synchronized is better for simple and readable synchronization needs. What is the purpose of volatile keyword in Java? Volatile ensures visibility of changes to variables across threads by reading and writing directly to main memory, preventing threads from using stale cached values. Why does volatile fail to guarantee atomicity? Volatile guarantees visibility but not atomicity. Operations like increments are multiple step operation and can still interleave between threads. Okay. Can volatile be used as a solution for race condition? No. Volatile cannot fix a race condition because it does not ensure mutual exclusion or atomic updates. So today we have covered 15 questions, okay, on multi-threading. Like the question, like the interview asked multi-threading questions. Okay, hopefully in the next video we will cover all the 16 to 40 questions, okay, on multi-threading concept and the questions which were asked in interview.